Hi everyone, we're Group 5 and today we're presenting our project, the Plant Water Reminder System. I am Reva Ransing.
This is Ana Marquez.
This is Osarco.
So, houseplants are everywhere dorms, apartments, offices, but keeping them alive is harder than it seems. That's where our system comes in. We designed a simple but effective device that reminds users exactly when to water their plants, helping them stay healthy without guesswork. So, first, let's talk about the problem. A lot of houseplants die not because people don't care, but because people forget. Life gets busy and watering schedules slip. On the other hand, some people try to compensate and end up overwatering, which can be just as harmful. So the issue isn't neglect, it is inconsistency. Our motivation came from this exact problem. We noticed that most reminders, like phone alarms, are easy to ignore or dismiss. They don't feel connected to the plan itself. So we wanted to create something different, a dedicated reminder system that physically stays next to the plant. Think of it like an alarm clock, but for your plant. Something visible, audible, and hard to ignore. Our goal was to design a reliable and user friendly system that helps people maintain healthy plants. To do this, we focused on three key features a timer to track watering intervals, a musical alert to grab attention, and a display screen to provide clear information. By combining these elements, we created a system that not only reminds users but makes the reminder obvious and effective.
Now let's look at how the system works from the user's perspective. On the front of the device, there's an LCD screen that displays a live countdown. This shows exactly how much time is left until the next watering. So instead of guessing or trying to remember, the user can just glance at the screen and immediately know when their plant needs attention. In addition to the visual display, we added an audio feature to make the reminder impossible to miss. When the timer reaches zero, a PS buzzer plays a custom musical ringtone. This makes the system more noticeable than a simple beep, and honestly, a little more fun too, so users are more likely to respond right away. By combining both visual cues and audio cues, the system ensures that the reminder is clear and effective. Even if someone isn't looking at the screen, they'll hear the alert, and if they miss the sound, they can still see the countdown. So it works in multiple ways to keep the planet care consistent. Now let's go into the technical side of the project. We used an Arduino Uno as the main controller, which acts as the brain of the system. The PSO buzzer is responsible for producing the musical tones, and the LCD screen displays the countdown in real time. Each component plays a specific role, but they all work together through Arduino. On the software side, the system is built around a countdown loop that tracks the passage of time. The code continuously updates the remaining time and sends that information to the LCD. At the same time, we created a custom function that handles both displaying the data and triggering the musical notes when the timer reaches zero. This combination of hardware and software allows the system to run smoothly and consistently. Everything is automated, so once it's set, the user doesn't have to worry about manually tracking time.
To make sure our system works correctly, we perform several tests. First, we check the LCD display to confirm that the countdown updates every second without delay. This ensures that the timing is accurate and the user always sees reliable information. Next, we test the audio output. We verify that the ringtone plays immediately when the time reaches zero without any lag or missed signals. This step was important because the alert is one of the main features of our system. After testing both the display and audio, we confirmed that all components work together as a single reliable system. The timer screen and buzzer are fully synchronized, which means the device consistently delivers accurate and timely reminders. Overall, the system meets our goal of helping users take better care of their plants. What makes this project meaningful is how it uses simple electronics to solve an everyday problem. Plant care isn't complicated, but staying consistent is. Our system removes that difficulty by giving clear, reliable reminders. It is also low cost and easy to build, which means it can be recreated or improved by others without needing advanced resources. In conclusion, our plant water reminder system is a practical and user-friendly solution. By combining a visual countdown with an audio alert, it helps users stay on track and avoid both underwatering and overwatering. The system is simple but effective, and that's what makes it valuable. Overall, this project shows how small, thoughtful designs can make real difference in daily life. Thank you for your time, and we're happy to answer any questions.